Hello everyone, welcome to the cooler report. And I'm going to introduce our newest products. For these wine coolers, let's take a look at the overall sizes first. Entirely, the units will be 23.5 inches wide. Include the handlebars, the total will be 28.5 inches deep. And the overall height will be 70.5 inches tall. As you can see, the front of the unit is a glass display. They have lights inside, and also you can see they have a lockers right here. When we open the door, you see the lights right here, and the controller is right here. You can see we're having the setting buttons. The units coming with a 2 temperature zone, topper and the uppers and lowers. They have a 2 different zone, and we're having the setting buttons for the dual temperature display right here, and also they can set up for like either Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the switches right here. And let's take a look at the overall measurements for the inner side. This pan will be 21 inches deep and 18.5 inches in the width. And for the top space, this will be 23.5 inches entirely tall. And the depth about like 21.5 inches entirely. And also you can see the bottom. Let's take a measurement too. For the lower side will be 38.5 inches in the tall. And that should be the same, 21.5 in the deep. As you can see, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 top layers on the upper, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 at the bottom. And this unit looking the inside. We can take a look at the units at the back. We're having the all cut sheets information right here, and the ETL sanitation approval right here. The model number is 168D, and you can see the bottom. We have the compressor built-in and the grill to cover it in case damage inside. And we can see they're using the 110 standard US plugs. And this is how units look like back. And also the units didn't come with the caster. They only have a small lights at the bottom. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.